Welcome. I am Ajay Joglekar, residing in Mumbai. Over the past 30 years, I have dedicated myself to crafting innovative household products that enhanced people's lives. However, even before embarking on this journey, about 35 years ago, I delved into the practices of mindfulness and meditation. These practices taught me how to pay better attention and focus, and I have applied those skills to achieve a healthier and happier life overall. 11 years ago, my beloved grandmother passed away. She lived a simple life and she spread love and joy wherever she went. Being a teacher, she started her journey at the village level. She observed that some underprivileged parents were hesitant to send their kids to school, despite it being free. To address this issue, she took it upon herself to visit homes, emphasizing the importance of basic education. In this way, she gathered students and began teaching them in her early days. My grandmother's love for her grandchildren was boundless. Her departure had a profound impact on me and sparked a significant transformation within myself. She always used to say, "Educate people," and that statement sparked my interest in teaching meditation as a means of giving back and making a positive impact on others' lives. Since the beginning of the lockdown, I began offering free meditation sessions through online audio, video, and recorded programs. Today, I am delighted to see all of you joining Become Infinity Soul Inner Awareness and Meditation course. Throughout this course, you will discover how simple and fulfilling it can be. We will explore 8 renowned meditation techniques from diverse cultures worldwide, with a special emphasis on achieving inner peace, inner strength, and clarity of thoughts. Rather than rushing through the material, we will prioritize practical aspects and the experiential aspect of meditation. I am absolutely certain that everyone will gain tremendous benefits from this meditation experience. No pens, notebooks, or note taking required. Just bring yourself and your mind. The key is to be fully present in each session starting today. Okay? Dedicate just 20 minutes of your daily routine, 8 to 10 minutes to understand the science behind each technique, followed by 10 to 15 minutes of meditation. Within merely 8 days, you will experience the profound impact of gaining peace of mind, mental strength, and a clearer, more focused mind. Okay, now take a moment to close your eyes and delve into these questions. Why I am here? Why I am here? Why I am here? How can meditation positively impact my life? How can meditation positively impact my life? How can meditation positively impact my life? How do I envision my transformation after mastering this practice? How do I envision my transformation after mastering this practice? How do I envision my transformation after mastering this practice? Take a moment to become aware of your thoughts. Let them come naturally without judgment or control. Just observe what crosses your mind. As you observe these thoughts, understand that they hold valuable insights about yourself. Just by paying attention to these thoughts, you might uncover the reasons why you are drawn to this practice and how it can benefit your life. Your true purpose and intentions may be hidden within them, waiting to be discovered. So nice. Whenever you are ready, gently open your eyes to bring this insight into your awareness. And now, hold on to that purpose and trust it. Over the course of 35 years, my journey has been filled with an unwavering passion for exploring various meditation techniques. Throughout this remarkable path, I have been fortunate to receive invaluable guidance from numerous teachers, both from my homeland and abroad. Now, as a tribute to my beloved grandmother, whose teachings were a profound influence on me, as well as a gesture of gratitude to all the esteemed teachers who have played a vital role in shaping my understanding, I am embarking on a new meditation course entitled Become Infinity Soul. Welcome everyone to this transformative course centered around the captivating ebook titled 8 Infinity. Within its pages lie the secret of 8 powerful meditation techniques presented in a truly beautiful and accessible manner. Throughout this journey, we will embark together, dwelling into the profound benefits of meditation. These advantages will become an enduring part of your life, enriching your experiences for years to come. All it takes is dedicating a mere 20 minutes daily, only for 8 days, to this practice. A small commitment for immense rewards. Trust me, you will discover that it's a straightforward and effortless endeavor. Once again, I extend my warmest greetings to each one of you, and I express my heartfelt gratitude for your presence here today. Let's start on this adventure together. Welcome. Thank you so much.